Foldables are finally becoming a thing, and Samsung is at the forefront of this niche industry. They've pretty much hit a home run this year with the Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy Z Fold 2. And with Huawei out of the way and Apple not heavily invested in foldables, Samsung is gonna retain its title as the king of foldables. Samsung plans to release 3 foldables next year: the Z Flip 2, the Z Fold 3, and the Galaxy Z Fold Fan Edition. There are already rumors regarding the most important of the bunch, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. According to a report by The Elect, Samsung is adopting a new type of display technology called Active Electrostatic Solution to the Z Fold 3 in order to bring the S Pen to the Z Fold 3. And at the same time, they're also working on making the ultra-thin glass thick enough to withstand the tip of the S Pen, which further confirms the rumors that Samsung is gonna get rid of the Note series and replace it with the Z Fold series. And if Samsung is gonna put the S Pen in the Z Fold 3 with the same type of display and ultra-thin glass that's on the Z Fold 2, it's not gonna end well, because the ultra-thin glass on the Z Fold 2 is so thin that fingernails can leave deep scratches on the display. So Samsung's solution to this is to make the ultra-thin glass twice as thick as the current one, so it can withstand the tip of the S Pen without damaging the display. But that's not the only challenge that comes with making the foldable compatible with the S Pen. On the Note series, Samsung adopts an EMR digitizer, which stands for Electromagnetic Resonance, and that's what makes the display and the S Pen work flawlessly together. But that EMR digitizer is too rigid for a foldable display, so Samsung is adopting Active Electrostatic Solution instead, which should be usable with Samsung's foldable display technology. I'm gonna make more videos on the Z Fold 3, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Let me know what you think about the Z Fold 3 incorporating the S Pen in the comment section below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.